Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go keeps stopping every time. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go keeps stopping every time, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to this window of Monopoly Go. Sorry, here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we click storage. Here we click clear cache. And then you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on. Then you can wait 3 seconds and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.